I'm going to start by saying welcome back, welcome to the channel. Any new subscribers, welcome to the channel. It's a bit of a bummer this morning. Woke up to some of my plants being destroyed by foxes. They're back. It just frustrates me. I feel like that scene out of Snakes on the Plane, that, you know, the famous scene. It's literally how I feel, but let's get into it. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to harvest out my potatoes because they're ready to go. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, every one of the boxes died back. There's a tiny bit of foliage, but you can see they're pretty much done back. So what we got to do now, first of all, we just got to take all the tops off these, and then we'll dig into it, and hopefully we've got some good potatoes. Let's get into it. Actually, let's give you a better angle. So that's the last ones. Let's get some buckets, start digging into these boxes. I brought two just in case, obviously. So I'm sure I can. Let's have a good look now. Get these out, a couple of little ones. Let's take them out anyway. Because if you don't, you know what's going to happen next year. It's just going to come up by itself. Start digging down. Bigger one. Still some small ones. Bit of a bigger one. I thought that to be a bit more looser to get through to this, but it's not. Don't actually be the same as it was at the front, where you have to dig like pretty far down, and that's where they are. But we'll see. Don't know. Okay, let's take this out. Will it be attached? Of course not. Can't be that easy. Haven't seen no big ones yet, which is a bit of a small one. Oh, they're in here. More little ones. Oh. Oh, there we go. They're getting a bit bigger. So far it's not the big ones I was expecting, but we'll see. Put it over there. Probably the biggest one so far. Oh, that's definitely the biggest one. This is what I'm looking for, more stuff like this. This is what I need, not the little stuff. Oh. Don't know why there's a peg there. I think it might be because this is the sun that gets the least amount. It's not sun. This is the box that gets the least amount of sun, so that might have something to do with it. But probably the worst potato harvest I've had so far. Hopefully the other ones are better than this one. Get that seed potato out. Ugh. Make sure there's no more. I'll obviously go through the box again to make sure there's nothing in it, but that's what we got from that box. So let's see if the other boxes are better. One thing I'm noticing, these potatoes are very close to the top. Not got any green thing to them because those just poison. So if you do get any potatoes that's on the surface that go green, just discard them. Do not eat them. But yeah, they are close to the top, which I don't normally get. They're normally further down. But this one's much more looser, this soil, so maybe that might play a big factor in this one being better than the other one. Oh, I had a little slug eating it. They can have that one. Still small. I ain't got no bigger ones yet, but still hopeful. Harvest all the potatoes out of the boxes, and we got pretty much 3/4 of this bucket full of potatoes, and I'm trying to work out if I'm happy with the results. I feel like I would have want them a bit more bigger, but these are like decent size. This is what I want, because these are the potato varieties. This is the normal size of them. I do have some smaller ones, I do have some bigger ones. So I don't know. I feel like I could have made it better if I moved locations of these potatoes. I don't think they get enough sunlight, which I think might be the problem. But then I have got bigger potatoes here in the thing. I'm thinking I might relocate these boxes of potatoes to somewhere else in the garden and use this for something else. I think pumpkins might work better down here. But yeah, it's not too bad. This is quite a bit of potatoes. It's got a little weight to it, so I'm not too bad. But on that note, I want to say thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.